Friends, first of all, I would like to say you, all of us, I am saying good morning. And after that, I want to tell you, please you subscribe my channel and like me. Friends and bro, today today I will tell you about my incident when I was childhood. When I passed 10 class examination, after that what I have done, that story I will tell you today. Friends, when I passed examination 10, after that that time I thought, that time I had no any mind, I had no any knowledge. That time we used to think, oh, that I am I took I examination passed high level education, like this I am thinking. So I started thinking, I started thinking, no, we should earn money now. And our study has completed, and now we should earn money. Like this I was thinking. And that time many peoples was going to out of area for working. I thought also we should go to out of area for working. That time I did not think that more and more we should prepare high level education and for inter for 12. That time I did not think. When my uncle said me that if you have no job, you have no any work, please you can go with me. That time I said my uncles, and your matter is right, you are saying is right, but first of all let me ask my parents. Yeah. My parents are what are saying. First of all, let me ask them. When I asked my parents that fathers, I want to go to out of area for working. What are you saying? And which advice you give me? Please you tell, because many people is going out of area for working, so I want to go also. But that time my fathers told me that your education is complete. Yeah. And when you passed examination 10, that you will not take admission 11. And like this my parents was saying me. But many times I told you that my father is farmer, my father is not education man. So he has no knowledge about education, that what time, what should do, which time what should do, and what is clear the education, and education means what is happened. In like this knowledge, my father had not any knowledge. So you know this matter, who peoples has no any education peoples, that peoples can't say about the education. So friends, my father told, if your education is complete and after that and if you want to not take admission 11th, that you can go, otherwise age for age minds come to knowledge. In first of all you 11, first of all you complete graduation, after that you go to out of area for working. In like this my father was saying me, but I explained it my father's, okay your matter is right, but fathers, I will come return soon. Yeah, after that in now any college is not taking admission. So about 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month, about 5 months after will be take admission. So in now I have I have lot of times now, and in about 5 months I will work first of all, and when the college will be take admission, that time I will return. So fathers, please let me go. In like this I said my fathers. So my uncle's name was Arshad Ansari, which he gave me he given me any knowledge about education, that when I was in the Mumbai, that time my uncles given any advice, yeah, in like this you do. First of all, in you are working here, but as well as you study also. So friends, when I used to duty there, that time I as well as study also, and my mission was also that I want to become good teacher in English. But what kind of we can make good teacher? That things, there are 3 4 tricks which you have to go on that things. Friends and bro, I would like say one matter. In first of all, what is your capacity? What can you do? Please, you do that. And entertainment and the rest you have also. Your entertainment is not going any place. But first of all, you complete your ambition. In this, now I am speaking like this. Any translation I mistakes, but my heart is saying every time. In like this, you continue practice your whatever you are getting, mistake, but your mistake will be improved one day. Yeah, you know also unless you will not mistake, you can't learn. What I'm saying, please you remember and please your attention. That I'm saying, unless you will not mistake, you can't learn anything. So first of all, you have to mistake. After that, things you can do. So friends, in I don't make long video because this is mobile, this is not computers. So long video will not upload in this mobile. When I will have computer, when I will buy computer, that time I will make long video, and that time I will make long video and upload that time. So this is mobile that I can't make long video. And friends, in last time I want to say you, please you subscribe my channel and like this. If who people watch my video, that again by again I want say them, please thanks, because you are watching my video. And so friends, I meet you tomorrow in like this, with like this video.